Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be customizing and installing this wig. I got this hair from Tinashe Hair. I'll put the link and information down in the bio. But basically, I'm just showing myself coloring it and installing it. So continue watching it if you want to see how it turns out. Right here, I'm just filling a bucket full of hot water. It needs to be steaming hot water so that the hair can hold the dye and that the dye will last long. So I'm just trying to make sure the temperature is really hot. Once I get the water, I'm going to go in with the door dye number 48 honey brown. I used 2 bottles of this, and once I squeeze it out, I pour some water in it to shake out the residue. Because I'm not dyeing the whole wig brown, I'm just dipping the ends in and I'm combing it through with a wide tooth comb. Now that I finished watercoloring the hair, I noticed that some spots were still a little more blonde than others. So I went in and did it section by section and added some more brown dye to it. I wanted a blunt cut for this wig, so I decided to go in with some shears to make the hair even. Alright, don't mind me right now because I look busted, but my birthday tomorrow. I'm about to install this wig on my head, and install it. So I'm gonna see how this come out. I put the stock ball cap on my head already, so I'm just melting it down so I could do the ball cap method. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not really doing anything different than I usually do. Using this, I'm using this spray. This is a new spray. I keep hearing I heard this spray is like really like strong, and it's gonna be hot tomorrow, so I need a really strong spray. So I think this is what I need in my life, so I'm gonna use that. Everything else is the same. I just used Got2 spray for my ball cap, but other than that, yeah. So keep watching to see the finished look. I'm about to take some gel and push down the little flyaways from cutting it. I'm about to go in with some makeup and just make this look like my skin. We'll try to. So initially I wanted a half up, half down with a side bang, but the ponytail was a little too thin and I didn't have extra bundles at the time, so I decided to just do a side part, which you all see in the next clip.